This is black spot on mango. It has the potential to be a serious disease of mangoes. In some cases, up to 90% of fruit is discarded due to spot on fruiting, leaving they unsuitable for market. Black spot is caused because of bacteria concealed in stem lesion on seedling and bud wood, from which it can spread to leaf and fruit. The symptom of black spot is leaf lesion are black, raised angular areas often surrounded by a yellow halo. So next we have disease because of soft root on banana tree. This is about root of the tree becomes withered and yellow. If you can see, this is banana tree that I found. It is caused of bacteria infection and it's called Bacterium carotivorum. Next are the symptoms present in infected with soft fruit disease. First is foul odor, second yellowish to reddish oats, third trunk base becomes swollen and splits.
This plant disease is called mosaic. This disease, also known as papaya mosaic virus. Papaya mosaic virus is a plant pathogenic virus. It is a filamentous and flexible root. The virus is a single-strand RNA surrounded by a capsid. It is caused by mechanically transmittable virus associated with other viral disease, from papaya mosaic virus being aphid-borne and restrict in a host range. The symptom is leaf mosaic and stunning. Symptoms appear on the young leaf of the plant. This plant disease is called brown leaf spot. It is one of the worst fungal disease of cassava plant. It appears as a small brown spot with dark border on the upper leaf surface. During a bad attack, the infected leaf become yellow, dry, and may die early. It is caused by fungal infection. Symptom and sign. The spots are produced on both sides of the leaf. There are brown spots with dark border on the upper surface, and spots with gray center and less distant margin appear on the lower side of the leaf. The infected leaf turn yellow and dry up.
Plumeria rust, which is also known as Cercospora plumeria. Plumeria rust fungus is specific to Plumeria plants. It is caused by fungus. Its spores are airborne, prevalent in warm and humid environments. Usually, there are yellow spots on the leaf's surface. When flipped over, there will be some orange lesions under the leaf's surface. Powdery mildew, it affects a wide variety of crops, takes away plants' nutrients, which causes the plant to become weak and the growth rate becomes slow. It is caused by fungus and easily spread in warm and dry conditions. The disease first starts as circular powdery white spots which appear on leaves, stems, and sometimes fruit. Later, it covers the entire upper part of the leaves.
Canker is a fungal or bacterial disease which occurs primarily on wood species. It's one of the most destructive diseases as it is able to create opening to other fungi, bacteria, insects, and virus. Canker caused by a wide range of bacteria and fungi. The plant is easier to infected canker when under stress, such as sudden change of temperature and insect injuries. If a tree is infected canker disease, round or irregular sunken and dark discolored bark can be observed. After that, swollen wood and cracked bark or wood tissue also a symptom of canker in plants. Cercospora leaf spot, with its scientific name Cercospora hydrangea, is a common disease seen on the perennial ornamental plant. It rarely kills the plant, but if it is severe, overall plant vigor will reduce caused by repeated defoliation. This disease is caused by fungus, and this disease will be severe during midsummer. The symptom of this disease will be numerous spores visible with an unaided eyes as minute dark speck within the center of the spot. The initial spots are purple and small with a circular shapes. After it enlarges, it becomes irregular or angular in shape. Additionally, the leaf which severely spot often become yellow-green in color.
Gall psyllid, or the scientific name is Thiosa vitensis, is happen because of the insect infestation. It often to occur rate on mature trees. They are unlikely to affect the rate of leaf growth and fruit yield. The greater impact seems to be on seedling. This disease caused by insect called neem. The neem suck the contents of cell of the leaf, then injecting their saliva cause hollow pits. Hence, they causes leaf to develop galls. The adult neem do not contribute to gall formation, but the female adult neem lay eggs on new leaf. The symptoms are pimple-like bumps on the surface of the leaf. It includes roundish rough surface, gall likely woody, tumor growth, several centimeter or more in diameter. Sooty mold, or the scientific name is Capnodium citri, is happen because of fungal infection. It covered up by a sticky substance created by certain insects. Sooty mold's name comes from the dark thread-like growth of the fungi resembling a layer of soot. It doesn't infect the plant, but the mold can indirectly damage the plant by coating the leaf to the point that sunlight can't reach the leaf surface. This disease caused by fungi that grow on the honeydew drop by other insects such as aphids. The symptoms are black or dark brown superficial fungal growth on the aerial part of the plants, particularly the upper leaf surface. The amount of growth can vary from a fine soot-like or powdery deposit to a thick sheet of growth that may crack or peel away from the leaf surface during dry condition.
Verticillium wilts on sunflower, or its scientific name Verticillium dahliae, is a fungal infection. This disease reduces the plant's height, taste, weight, and oil content. If the attack starts before flowering, yield reduction is significant. This disease caused by fungi through soil, a soil-borne pathogen. A mottling of the lower leaves become apparent, and disease symptoms progress up the plant as plants near maturity. Next, tissue between leaf veins becomes yellow, then brown. And lastly, the infected leaves eventually will become completely dry and die. Anthracnose disease. Anthracnose disease is a fungal infection disease, and it attacks all parts of the plants at any growth stage. The symptoms are most visible on leaves and ripe fruits. This disease caused by fungus from genus Coletotrichum, and it tends to attack plants in the spring when the weather is cool and wet. At first, anthracnose generally appears on leaves as small and irregular yellow, brown, dark brown, or black spots. The spots can expand and merge to cover the whole affected area. Lastly, the color of the infected part darkens as it ages.